Welcome to Cablecast Broadcast Automation. In this video, we will go over the basics of the public site configuration. If you don't know how to create or schedule show records in Cablecast, check out our Creating Shows video in this series. Let's get started. The Cablecast public site utilizes your existing schedule and show data to bring you an instant, professionally designed portal for your content online. It features your program schedule, show thumbnails, and program details, as well as on-demand and live content on systems that include a Cablecast VOD and live streaming server. You can also customize the colors, logo, featured content, and contact information on your Cablecast public site. To navigate to your public site settings, click Settings. Choose System Settings, then Channels. Now choose the channel you want. You will see two different public site options. Clicking on Public Site takes you to the Edit screen to customize your public site. To view the current state of your public site, click View Public Site to bring it up in a new window. Let's get started editing this public site. We click on Public Site to get to our Edit screen. This is where you add a site name, logo, a channel description, and contact information. The next step in customizing the public site is configuring the featured content. Cablecast automatically populates the individual galleries and slideshow on your public site by using saved searches. This way, when you add more content that fits the saved search criteria, your public site is always updated with the latest content. To learn more about saved searches, watch our searches video. Your default public site configuration will have one featured gallery, but you can add as many as you'd like. To add a new gallery, click New. Then type in a name for the new gallery and select the saved search you want to use to populate that gallery. Then set the maximum number of shows you want displayed on the home page. When you've finished all your selections, click OK. Once you have created your new galleries, you can arrange the order you want them to display on your public site. To set your slideshow, simply select the saved search you want to display there. Once you have your content selections made, now you can move on to the design. Set a custom color for the banner, background, and gradient of your public site by dragging to the desired color on the color picker, or you can enter the hexadecimal number for your desired color. Once you have finished all your edits on the public site configuration page, make sure to click Save at the bottom before leaving this page. Once you've saved your changes, go back to the Channel Settings page and click View Public Site to open a new tab showing your updated public site. If you see additional adjustments that need to be made, go back to the Public Site Configuration page, make your changes, and click Save. Now that your public site is appearing just the way you want it, contact your IT staff or webmaster to assign it to your desired domain name or add it to your current website. Now your viewers can see your upcoming schedule, watch content on demand or live, and even share your most recent content on social media. Those are the basics of configuring your public site in Cablecast. To learn about other features, check out the rest of this video series, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.